Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Lowe's. So let me take you to the website, which is Lowe's.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Lowe's is a major retailer specializing in home improvement products and services. They offer a wide range of items like tools, building materials, appliances, and home decor. It's a go-to store for DIY projects and professionals alike, with services like installation and design consultations. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all the amazing stuff they got, and buy something for yourself if you like. But this is not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Lowe's. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Lowe's and start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic. And when we bring sales to them, we will end up getting commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Lowe's? Well, as of now, only the affiliates from US can join the affiliate program. That means if you're a content creator, a website owner, a blogger, or an influencer from US, only then you can join the affiliate program of Lowe's. Then what about other people? Don't you worry, there are definitely so many other affiliate programs. I myself have created tons of such affiliate program videos. You just go to the playlist of my YouTube channel and you will find amazing affiliate programs from there and you can end up joining. Now, for the people who are from US and want to join the affiliate program of Lowe's, then this is the video for them. Now, to the consumers of which country can you promote Lowe's in order to get commission? Only to the US. So that means if you bring sales from the consumers of US to Lowe's, you will end up getting commission. Let's talk more about the affiliate programs of Lowe's. For that, let me take you to their page, which is a creative page. You may either call it creative page or affiliate program page of Lowe's. I'm going to mention a link in the video description for your quick reference. So you can come to the page and you can see all about the affiliate program. So it's pretty simple. You connect with them, you create your tracking link, and you could earn up to 20% commission on the sale amount. As you can see, three-step process. And it could be anywhere between 5% to 20% commission on the sale amount. Just keep that in mind. More information on the commission rate will be visible to you when you get the approval from their affiliate program team. Now, if you scroll down on their affiliate program page, there are some frequently asked questions. So we got this one: who's eligible to join Lowe's creative program? As we talked about it, any US-based content creators, influencers, and bloggers can apply to be part of the affiliate program. There are other questions as well you can read and get the idea. So let's say you want to apply to them. How do you do that? Simply just click on join today, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on apply now, and it will ask you to enter the email address and password combination. It's kind of creating your account. So I'm going to enter another email address of mine since I already tried creating an account with this email address. So let me use this one. In your case, you can also use your email address and password combination that you want to set. And once you have entered the credentials, you can click on yes, I agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions. Ensure you read these things thoroughly, followed by click on sign up. When you do that, it will process the information that you have given, will create an account for you, and will take you further so that you can enter more details in relation to your affiliate program with them. But before that, it will definitely ask you to click on the activation link like you see here. So you have to go to the email account that you have given the email address for, and there will be an email. So this is my email account. As you can see, welcome to Lowe's Creator Community. Don't get confused with Creator Community. You could just consider that as affiliate program community. Open the email. There will be a link. So ensure you click on your link. And when you do that, it will take you further to the details page where you can enter your details. Now, all the details I'm going to mention here, that will be dummy just for the educational purpose, but in your case, ensure your details are up to date. So over here, the first step is add your social account. Now their affiliate program sign up is a bit different. It won't even take you further unless you have connected one of these accounts. So it should be Instagram account, TikTok account, YouTube, Facebook. You have an option to even click on other and you could add these as well. But you should be adding this. And what kind of account should you be adding? The personal one? No, it shouldn't be the case. So whenever you plan to promote Lowe's, the products or services, you should be adding that account. And it's pretty simple. For example, if you got a YouTube channel, you can simply click on connect, and then it will authenticate you through your email account that must be connected to your YouTube profile. So let's say if you have a YouTube account that must be connected to an email account. So when you click on connect, it will ask you to authenticate through that email authorization, and then it will connect you. So let me show you. So if I click on connect, it will do the same process that I tried explaining to you. And when I choose that option of mine, so as you can see, my YouTube account is linked here. So same way, you could either connect your Instagram account, TikTok account, or Facebook account, or any other account. Let's say if you only plan to promote them on a website, it could be a blog or website, click on add another. And over here, you can click on blog or website. You can click on add account, and you can add the URL. But even though if you'll add it, it will still ask you to add one of these things. Otherwise, it won't even take you further. So once you have added the details, you can simply click on next tab, and then it will take you to step number 2, where you can enter information about you. Ensure all the information you're typing here is accurate for the best of your knowledge. So full name, I'm going to write here John Allen Yu. Again, the information I'm going to write here, that will be dummy just for the educational purpose. But in your case, it should be accurate. The country, I'm going to select as United States. So you can select your country of residence, the street address, whatever your street address is, you can go with it. You can type in your city. Let me go and type in New York here. You can select your state here as well. So again, depending on the country you will select, you will get the option accordingly. But just to be sure, since they will only be accepting the publishers from United States, if you try to pick on any other country, it might not work for you. So that's why you have to be careful. In my case, let me select it here. I was struggling to enter. Okay, so set as New York. Zip code, you can enter your zip code too. And then the primary language. So you can select your primary language. I'm going to select English. Secondary language, you can keep it blank, doesn't matter. You can choose your birth date from here. Ensure it should be accurate. Again, I'm going to go with a dummy detail in here for educational purpose. Choose the gender as well. You can write your bio. Now, this is something very important, because when you will apply to them, they will see all these details, and based on what you write, it could make them decide whether to approve you or not. So ensure you write something good about you, maybe your tactics, how you plan to promote them, a bit about your audience and all that. So the more you write about yourself, about your traffic mediums, about your method, it will help you in getting the approval from them. Then ethnicity. So I'm going to go with Asian here, and then you can, after adding all these details, you can click on next step. It will process the details and will take you to step number 3. And as you can see here, some of our partners are paid. If you are owed payments from us, you will need to provide your payment information by completing these steps. So third step is you have to give your payment method. So what you can do here, you do not currently have a pay a method setup. So you can click on add payout method, and you can see here you have not completed a text form as well. Please set up a payout method before submitting text form. So what you need to do, just click on add payout method, and depending whether you are representing yourself or a company, if you're representing a company, just click on registered business and enter the payment details accordingly. Otherwise, you can click on individual. So let's go with the individual one, and again, you will write your details. Ensure you write it accurately, and it should match with the information that you have given in the initial registration step. Date of birth here as well, which is optional, so no need to enter here. Country, not right here, United States. You can write your country of residence. Address 1. So I'll write a 52. Now, even though it says optional, but this is not an optional field, so write something in here too. And then city, state, and zip code as well, you can write. And once you have written all these details, click on next. It will take you to the next step of adding payment details. So you have two options. One is bank transfer. So you can expect to get a payment in USD. You can enter a routing number, account type, account number, name of account holder. You can also click on PayPal and enter your PayPal email address and confirm it. And once you have either filled up the bank details or the PayPal details, you simply click on add. And what this will do, it will send your application to the affiliate program team of Lowe's. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and they will decide, and they may end up giving approval to you. And when you get the approval from them, you will receive an email. And after getting an email, you can simply come to their page. This page that we looked at, you can click on sign in, enter your credential, and it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard or the creator dashboard. Now, once you get access to it, you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. It's not like, okay, you want to promote this product, you can take the link and promote them. No, that's not the case. You should be using tracking link, and the dashboard will be very easy to use. There should be a section to create your tracking link and show you use your tracking link in order to promote them. Now, the question arises, you got the tracking link, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One of the way is website or blog. So when you are doing sign up with them, you must have given your website or blog details. Now, website could be any sort of website. So long as you got the approval, you can decide to place on your website and promote Lowe's. Then comes your blog. Blog could be amazing because you could write great things about Lowe's, their products, their quality. Even you can write blog posts about different products or services of Lowe's. And with all those blog posts, you can provide your tracking link. This way, when the people would read, they would get interested. They'll click on the link, they'll buy something, you'll get commission. Second way is social media. So you get approval from them. Regardless of the account type, you will have many ways. You could create quick videos, you could create reels, you could post, basically promote Lowe's the way you feel would be amazing for your audience through social media. And when you bring sales to Lowe's this way, you'll end up getting commission. Now, I feel like third option could be amazing here, which is home and garden website. Now, people come to these kind of websites to learn about different products available for home and gardening. You may take some products of Lowe's, integrate these products on your website with your tracking links integrated. You would, of course, need a bit of the technology to do so, or might need a developer's help to do so. But in doing so, will allow people who are coming to your website, will be exploring these products, will click on these products, and will end up buying. And in return, you'll get the commission. Now, all the activity that's happening, you bringing sales to whoever, but you see your performance. Again, that will be in the dashboard. So there should be a section in the dashboard which will allow you to see your performance, and whatever performance that will be generated, you would be able to see that, and you can expect to receive commission from Lowe's. And in case if you ever have question like about payment and about any details related to dashboard, you always have an option to write an email to the affiliate program team of Lowe's at contact@influencers.lowes.com. Again, it's contact@influencer.lowes.com. So feel free to write an email to them and ask any question in relation to their affiliate program. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Lowe's. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning about the affiliate program of Lowe's. For me, if you got any question in relation to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any other brand like this, let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.